Hi, today we will be discussing about how to send a WhatsApp API message. So, let's head towards the software. So, this is our software, and there is an option called lead automation. So, you have to click on that, and then there's a WABA. So, WABA is something which is like you will be sending WhatsApp API from WABA. So, before sending, you have to approve the template with the meta, and then it is like we'll be able to send what message we have to send. So I'll click on template, and in template, if you want to create a marketing template in the sense offer related or new arrivals related, then you have to directly go to the create template. You have to click here create template. I'll just take this aside, create template. Then what you have to do is write why you are creating a template. So you can just type it as offer, then English, then marketing, and then header. Header is something which is like text, image, video, audio, or document, anything you want to put. So I'll put image, and image you have to choose it here. So image, in image it is like I'll be taking my logo photo, or else if you want to select video, I'll select video and I'll choose the file. So I had a file here which I'll open, but what it is saying is the file must be 16 MB or smaller. So I have to compress this. So you can compress it from like tools called compress video from Chrome. So you can compress it and you can make it below 16 MB. So now I'll be taking, for as of now, I'll be taking an image, so that you guys will actually get to know how to do the complete process. So image has been selected. So this is body. So offer is on 21st 10 2025. You can put the whole script over here. The character limit is 1024 character limit. Here you can see that. So you can put the variables as well, one or two, on that basis if you want to send to a specific audience, or else you can just type the text over here. And footer text, what you can write it as, you can put your brand name like this, it will be visible here, or else you can put please stop to unsubscribe. You can completely write it in that way. Or else your brand name, anything is okay according to your convenience. But major of the brands right here, like stop to unsubscribe, wherein they don't block or like report it. So according to that, you can choose it. Then button, you can put it as none as well, or else CTA is something which is like a call to action button. You can add one phone number, website, visit website, two numbers. So I'll put the phone number, and I'll write it as call now, and I'll mention it as plus 918861617062, my office number. So I'll put this. If I want, I'll add websites as well, website, and here uh, visit now, or else anything, shop now, or else whatever it is there. So here I'll write it as www.aishikro.com. So on that basis we can add and just press submit. So here it is saying that you have to put a proper URL. So I have to copy a proper URL and then put. So as of now, I'll remove the website and I'll just press on submit button. So here template creation is being done. It is showing that it has been successful. So as you can see, offer related marketing, language English. Now the status is pending. So it is showing here in the main dashboard itself. So I'll just refresh it. Once I refresh, here you can just see it has been approved. So in just 1 minute or maximum 5 minutes, the approval has been done like this. But if you want to create a custom related utility message, wherein like how I have created here, the utility message. So how you can create is, so from here create template, if you do it, sometimes it doesn't take utility. Then what you have to do is you have to go to manage template. I'll click on manage template, and I have connected my Facebook page and Facebook complete what this is set up. So as you can see, the whole what they say WhatsApp, uh, this managed template messages, everything is being displayed. So here you have to add your Facebook details from which you have been associated with Facebook business profile. Then you have to go to template, manage template. Here you can just type it as like create or else create template, or else you can just see template library, which type of template you can create. If it is a utility, what are the steps you have to follow, it is here. How the utility message should be there, or else authentication related, you can just see related to delivery part or else OTP part, industry wise e-commerce or else financial services. And then if you see, it is like this one, identity verification or else payment related, if you want to see. So there are many which is there in you and in authentication, and in utility also there are many feedbacks, event reminder, call permission. So there are many examples written over here. So these are all your, what you can do is you can just see which suits better to you. And then if you feel, yeah, this text is better to me, then you can click on that. And customize template name, you can mention it as like utility, or according to you, utility, or according to you, you can choose customize template this. Then you can, what it is saying is, you can edit this template to fix your need. However, it will be submitted for review. You can just click on submit, customize. So from there only, manage library, you can just see the templates and click on customize. Here you can just add what you want to add, like what is the name, and then type of variable, it is like number or else media. If you want to add any photo, it is like optional. Header is also optional. And this is the body, what if you want to add. And the variables, the name, and the second variable is related to what, you can just see the process and you can just finish it off. Even footer is also optional, button is also optional. If you put button, then footer, it will go, and it will be in marketing. So try to avoid all these things, or else you can just try once. And then set custom valid period for your message. If you don't set a custom valid period, standard 10 minutes, the variable will or in the standard 10 minutes WhatsApp message, validity period will be applied. So this is like, you can make it off itself and click on submit review. So these are the templates wherein you can just check. Or else if you want to create it on your own, then what you can do is you can go to, if you want to create it on your own, then create on manage template, and then you can scroll down, which all template has been approved, it will show here. Or else you can click on create template. Once clicking on create template, you will be able to see, just a second, it is loading. Yeah, you can able to see, is it marketing, utility, or authentication. If it is a marketing related, you can click on the like default. If it is utility related, you can click on default. So according to your requirement, you can just see one time password, this is for authentication, OTPs and all. So marketing related, you can just click on here default, and then here it is showing like you can add a photo, then press next. Like this is the content in general, it is saying. You can just press next. After pressing next, then you can what it is saying is, template name it is saying. So you can just mention it as offer 2, as offer 1, which we have done it, which was before. Then content, so this is related to variable. If you want to add any variable with the name or with the number, so this you can just like add a header, body, and footer for your template. Cloud API hosted by Meta will review the template variable and content to protect the security and integrity of our services. So this is variable is something which is like, if you want to add it for your billing, it is like the name and the number, it will keep on changing, so according to the person names. So variable is something which is like personalized messages to be sent according to their name can be done. Or else media, you can click it on like image, photo, document, or location. I'll click on image, and then here I'll click out, and then I'll choose the logo which I already had it. Then header is something which is like, it's optional. Remove media to add a text header. So if you want to just write text, then you have to remove the image. Or else focus on the body. In body, hello, my name is Ashish Jain. So you can write the whole content whichever you have it. So according to that, you can set it. Then footer, in footer, that's what, as I said, stop for subscription or AI Shikro, you can just mention it. Then buttons, from here also you can click, it is custom. related quick reply. If you want to, like, if you in this, what happens is there is a website, call to button, call on WhatsApp, and then call phone number, complete flow, then copy offer code. So in this, usually custom is something which is like quick replies, like yes, I'm interested, please send me details related to that. Or else if you want to make them call on WhatsApp, then you can just put your complete details over here. Or else you can just click on call button, you can add the whole text, the country code also you can change it. As I shown this, it has many options related to create template. That is the first which I showed was basic, and this is little advanced. So you can just refer both according to your convenience. 97394070762. So you can add each and everything. And here I'll add plus double eight plus 9188616170670672. So if I click on submit for preview, it will just invalid number it was showing. So there was some mistake in my template. So you can just create it according to you, and you can finish it by doing this. So that's it for the template approval.